Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add collaborators on your Box app. Now if you want to add collaborators on the files or the folders on the Box app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. For those of you wondering what is a Box app, Box is a platform that enables files management, collaboration and automated workflows internally and externally. Now if you want to add collaborators, adding a collaborators in a Box allow others to view, edit or manage files and folders with a specific permission. Now to add the collaborators, you just need to open the Box app on your device and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, you just need to log into your account and you need to navigate to the folder you want to share or you want to invite the collaborators. So if I want to invite the collaborators on this folder, then I just need to click on the option of three dots which is next to the folder or the file, and here you'll see the option of share, collection and all of it. So you just need to click on the option of share, and here you'll see the option of invite and link. So here you need to click on the option of invite which is below, and from here you need to share the contacts and all of it. So from here you need to enter the name or the email of the person you want to invite it, and you need to choose the access which you want to give to them. So if you want to give them the editor access, you may click on the option of editor, but if you want to give them the viewer access, you may click on the option of viewer. So after entering the email or the name, you may click on the option of invite, and by doing all of it, by clicking on the option of invite, you'll be able to send the notifications to the collaborators and you'll be able to add the collaborators like this. So that's it. That's how you can add the collaborators on the Box app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.